Hi, I'm Carolyn, and I'm going to show you how to lift and smooth and tighten the double chin area. First, you're going to take your hand, make sure that it's lined up like this, okay? And then you're going to lower your jaw with your lips closed and scrub. Pull back the corner of your mouth towards your ear, go up over the jawbone joint and into the temple hairline. Other side, lining up, lower, pull back, again. Now, place your thumb, one in front of the other, press your tongue against the roof of the mouth and slide, press and slide. Next, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to press and you're going to slide this way, one behind the other, going down the neck. So press and slide, come back, and the last is the jawbone. Starting here, you're going to press all the way around the joint up into the hairline. Here again, you're going to cut all the way and into the hairline. Okay, and again, and keep on going. We'll do the chin a little bit. Bones rejuvenate when they have been challenged. And there you go.